Hello, I wanted to welcome you all to this class. Thank you for participating. My name is BMR Williams, also known as Mitsu Midas. I am an author, self-published, and an illustrator. I am a freelancer on Fiverr. I am a professional map illustrator and designer. I've created book maps. I've created maps for D&D campaigns. I've created maps for video games. I've created maps for movies, film. I've even created maps for businesses and even wedding venues. So I've created a lot of maps. I'm here to teach you all of the different little tricks that I have learned, picked up, and developed over the years of drawing maps online for various people. And we are going to also be going over some basic Photoshop techniques. This course will be using Photoshop, and a lot of the different strategies we will be employing may not work in other programs. However, I will say that this course will help you no matter what software you're using. However, if you're using Photoshop, that is the best option. After going over some basics, we are going to start off with creating our globe. So we're not just going to be drawing a map. We're going to be designing a whole planet very roughly and very quickly just to get started. And we are going to turn our drawing of a planet into a globe and export a GIF of our rotating planet. From there, I'm going to go over some printing and sizing guidelines so you know what size to make your maps. Then we're going to move on to drawing coastlines and water. And this is the map that I made over the course. Your map will look like your map. However, this is the style that we are going to be going forward with. After drawing coastlines and water, we are going to be drawing the mountains, and I will be showing you two different styles of drawing mountains. One that is easy for beginners and non-artists, and another that is better for those who prefer to draw. Then we are going to be drawing forests, and same thing, I'm going to be showing you two different styles of drawing forests. Then we are going to be moving on to how to draw roads and borders. Then after that, we're going to be talking about naming areas and plotting text. Then we're going to learn how to draw a compass rose, a border design, a key/legend, and then lastly, we're going to draw a scale. Moving forward from there, I'm going to give you a quick lesson on Photoshop blending modes, and blending modes are the same throughout most drawing software. So that is applicable across all programs. And then we're going to be coloring and creating our map from taking our map from a bland black and white image to a colored sepia tone vintage style map using coloring and blending mode techniques to add textures to our image to make it look like it's actually made on paper. In this course, I have also included a free brush pack, and I have also included a paper texture. This is free to use. This will come in handy at the end of the course. The brush pack is called the BMR Williams Map Brush Pack. And I'm also including a sizing reference board just so you keep in mind that the size of the document is important. And at the end of the course, I will be giving my final thoughts, and I will be sharing with you a very important quote from J.R.R. Tolkien himself about drawing maps and why making your map good is important for your story. That's about all for an introduction. Again, thank you for deciding to join the class, and I hope that I can impart knowledge to you that will help you create maps for all of your map making needs. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video covering Photoshop basics and how to install the brush pack I provided with the course. Thank you.